All right, well, some of you are probably wondering how I get that nice graphing calculator to show up to use. So here's basically what I do. So go on to Google on whatever browser you have and just put in PARCC, Practice Test Math. And literally it's the first option that comes up. And you choose a practice test. If you go in here, go down to Mathematics Practice Tests. Right? It'll ask for whatever grade you want. And then you can go into any unit. Basically, make sure it's a computer-based unit, so that way you'll have all your units involved. You basically just click Start. You don't need anything. Guessed is good. Click Start. If you go up top, you'll see the Magic Calculator button. So embedded in this is a nice graphing calculator which you can use. All right, so basically, like we said before, you'll be using this typically for trig functions for now. So sine, cosine, tangent are right here. Your inverses are above there. So you'd have to hit second in one of these to get the inverses. If you just click on a regular button, let me clear that up first, you'll just get the regular trig function. But again, do make sure when you're doing trig in the mode, you need to go down and make sure this is on degree. Default is going to set it at radian, so go down, down, over, hit enter on degree to make sure that's selected. Hit second quit, and then you can do any value you want here. I could do tangent of 25 degrees, whatever that is. There's your value. If I did my inverse tangent of 9/13, right, it'll give you the angle. So just make sure you're putting in the things that you want. Inverses for angles and other values for side lengths. Right, hopefully this helps. Let me know if you have any questions on this.